In this video, we will highlight a new robot dog made in Italy that shocked engineers from China and the USA. We will also showcase 4 other robots that can be used for cleaning tasks both indoors and outdoors, as well as household chores. Cigarette butts are the second most common litter on Earth. Of the 6 trillion cigarettes smoked each year, over 4 trillion butts are tossed onto the ground, each one leaching over 700 toxic chemicals into the environment. Preventing cigarette butts from ending up on the ground would be ideal, but requires a significant shift in human behavior. Assuming this change is unlikely, roboticists from the Dynamic-Legged Systems Unit at the Italian Institute of Technology in Genoa have designed a novel platform for cigarette butt cleanup, a quadrupedal robot with vacuums attached to its feet. This robot, developed in Claudio Semini's lab at IIT, is called VERO, Vacuum Cleaner Equipped Robot. It's based on an Alien Go robot from Unitree, with a commercial vacuum mounted on its back. Hoses run from the vacuum down the legs to each foot, with custom 3D printed nozzles that maximize suction near the ground without tripping the robot. While the vacuum is novel, the real contribution is how the robot autonomously locates objects on the ground and plans how to interact with them using its feet. First, an operator designates an area for VERO to clean, after which the robot operates independently. After calculating an exploration path for the entire area, the robot uses its onboard cameras and a neural network to detect cigarette butts. This is tricky because there may be many cigarette butts that look similar, so the system has to filter out potential duplicates. Next, VERO plans its steps. It must position the vacuum side of its foot next to each cigarette butt while ensuring a safe, stable pose for the rest of its body. Since this process can occur on sand, stairs, or other uneven surfaces, VERO prioritizes stability before collecting. The final collecting maneuver is fine-tuned using an Intel RealSense depth camera mounted on the robot's chin. Initial tests showed the robot could successfully collect nearly 90% of cigarette butts. According to the developers, this is the first time that the legs of a legged robot are concurrently utilized for locomotion and for a different task. This innovation has many potential use cases, including spraying weeds in crop fields, inspecting cracks in infrastructure, and placing nails and rivets during construction. From cleaning beaches to now robots that will clean your house, Norwegian robotics company 1X has announced its humanoid robot, Eve, which is now commercially available. This marks a significant advancement in domestic robotics and the integration of AI into everyday life. Eve is designed to be more than just a simple machine. It is a versatile household assistant capable of performing a wide range of tasks. While the AI-powered robot has already been deployed in various industrial settings, demonstrating its efficiency and reliability, its introduction into the home environment is groundbreaking. Eve can handle chores such as cooking, cleaning, and even home security, making it an invaluable addition to any household. Its capabilities extend beyond basic tasks, as it can adapt to different household needs and routines, ensuring a seamless and efficient operation. Eve uses a modified version of ChatGPT to understand and respond to commands, and 1X said the AI capabilities allow Eve to be a learning and creating robot. For instance, Eve can generate recipes by scanning a user's shelves and identifying ingredients and replicating a user's movements to effectively complete tasks. The wheeled robot stands at 6 feet 2 inches, weighs 192 pounds, and is capable of traveling 9 miles per hour. It can also carry up to 33 pounds of goods and comes with gripper hands, so it can hold various objects to assist with cleaning and cooking chores. According to experts, this robot will be a household must-have, doing chores for millions of Americans by the end of the decade. Jordy Rose, founder of Vancouver-based Sanctuary AI, has created a human-sized bot called Phoenix, who has already worked in 2 retail stores bagging merchandise and cleaning. Phoenix is capable of tasks like cleaning, tidying, and even filling the fridge, and can learn new skills just like a human. Its AI control system, Carbon, sets it apart in the robotics field. Phoenix's unique capabilities earned it a spot in Time's Best Inventions 2023. Carbon, which powers Phoenix, simulates human brain subsystems, including memory and sensory perception. This allows Phoenix to perform tasks with efficiency and competence similar to humans. With Carbon, Phoenix can handle almost any human task, making it versatile. It's designed for tasks from simple to complex. Phoenix robots are meant to work with people, not just for them. They can be manually operated, assisted, or supervised through their AI control system. Kuavo by VERO Robotics is the first domestic open-source humanoid robot capable of jumping and walking on various terrains. It is currently being introduced into households to perform tasks such as laundry, watering plants, flower arranging, and hanging clothes. Kuavo weighs about 45 kilograms and can walk in all directions with a maximum speed of 4.6 kilometers an hour. It can also jump to a height of 20 centimeters. According to the company, compared to its first version, which debuted in December 2023, Kuavo's upper limbs have significantly improved operational performance. It completes its tasks through object position recognition, terminal trajectory planning, and flexible object grasping. In terms of technical improvements, Kuavo's arms have 28+ degrees of freedom, and its ability to control whole body motion has been greatly enhanced. Kuavo runs on Kaihong OS, which is based on the Open Harmony system. It has an open-source motion controller that can be connected to various modules. Lastly, we have another robot that can be utilized for cleaning work, both indoors and outdoors, is Expedition A1. Expedition A1 by Agibot is a humanoid robot that stands 1.75 meters tall and weighs 53 kilograms. Initially designed for factory settings, this impressive robot also aims to find a place in household kitchens, making daily life easier for everyone. Expedition A1 can walk stably at speeds up to 7 kilometers per hour, demonstrating remarkable balance and agility. It's incredibly versatile, capable of performing a wide range of tasks, such as tightening bolts on assembly lines, using inspection tools with precision, conducting thorough vehicle exterior inspections, and even being utilized in complex laboratory experiments. Agibot's ambitious goal is to further develop Expedition A1 into a reliable household assistant. Imagine a future where the robot can fetch and pour water for you, deliver medications with care, and efficiently perform household chores like preparing ingredients, cooking meals, and even cleaning up afterward. The possibilities don't end there. In the future, Expedition A1 could be a valuable educational aid, helping children with their homework by providing explanations, guidance, and even giving a thumbs up for good work, fostering a positive learning environment. Thanks for watching, and make sure to hit the like button, subscribe, and put notifications on to stay updated on everything related to AI and robotics.